Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. So, as I have given you this test and in which there are four questions, so let us discuss these questions and after that you will assess yourself. Let us start with question number 1, and that is write 4096 in the expanded form. Now you have to write this number in the expanded form. So, what you will do, you will just write the number. After this, write down the places like 0, 6 is at the ones place, 9 is at the tens place, 0 is at the hundreds place, and 4 is at the thousands place. Now you have to write this number in the expanded form, means you will just open it and put symbol of addition between them. So let us start with the digit which is at the thousands place and it is 4. So multiply 4 with the place plus 0, because as you know that place value of 0 is always 0. So if I'll multiply it with its place means hundreds, then also my answer will be 0. After this I have 9 which is at the tens place, so 9 multiplied by 10 plus 6 multiplied by 1, because 6 is at the ones place, 9 is at the tens place. Now you can see that I have written all these numbers. Now what I'll do, I'll just write this whole statement in the form, in the addition form, but after multiplication, means after multiplying the digit with the place. So 4 multiplied by 1000, that is 4000 plus 0. You can also skip it. If you are not writing 0, then also your answer is correct. Plus 9 tens are 90, plus 6 ones are 6. Now here you can see that you have written this number in the expanded form like this only. 4000 plus 90 plus 6 means it is the sum of the place values of the number. Sum of the place values of all the digits in the number except 0, because the place value of 0 is always 0. Move towards the next question, that is question number 2, and it is write 9000 plus 60 plus 3 in standard form. In the previous question there was a number, you have represented that number in the expanded form, and now in this case what you will do, you will write this number in the standard form. So for this what you will do, you have ones, tens and thousands here, as these numbers are representing, means there is no value at the hundreds place, means at hundreds place we have 0. So what will be the number? 9063, right? And you can also check your answer. 3 is at the ones place, 6 is at the tens, 60, 0 because here we don't have 100, and 9 is at the thousands place. That's why after just adding all these numbers, my answer is 9063, means this is the standard form of 9000 plus 60 plus 3, because to write any number you have two form, either expanded form, either you will expand that number or you will just write that number in this way, in standard form. In normal form means by adding the numbers without the sum, without the sum of the place values. Move towards the next question, that is question number 3, and that is write predecessor and successor of 2684. Now what is your predecessor? Predecessor is -1, means number that comes just before, and successor is +1, means the number that comes just after the number. So here you have the number that is 2684. Now for calculating its predecessor, what you will do, you will just subtract 1 from it and your answer will be 2683. 2683 is the predecessor. And to calculate successor, what you will do, you will just add 1 to the number, means in the same number you will add 1, and after adding it you will get 2685. Now here you can see that this is the predecessor, means we have subtracted 1 from the number, and to calculate successor, what we have done, we have just added 1 to the number, means 2683 is the number that comes just before 2684, and 2685 is the number that comes just after 2684. So here we have the two terms, predecessor and successor. Predecessor is before and successor is after. I hope this is clear to everyone. So just keep it in your mind that predecessor is just before and successor is just after. Move towards the next question, that is question number 4. And in this question, what you have to do, you have to write odd or even, means you have to tell that whether your number that is written here is odd or even. So now we'll come to the number. Now to check whether the number is odd or even, you need not to check the whole number, because we will just go with the digits that are at the ones place, and by the digits that are at the ones place we will check that whether the number is odd or even. So in first part we have the number, and that is 1754. Now in this number you can see that we have 4 at the ones place, right? And to check odd or even, we have read all the rules. And what is the rule? Like if you are having 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at the ones place in the number, then that means your number is an even number. And if you are getting any other number at the ones place, that means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then your number is an odd number. Even number, for even number you can also check your divisibility by 2, and to check the divisibility you have the same rule, that if you are getting 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at the ones place, then the number is an even number. And if you have 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 at the ones place, then your number is an odd number. So before recapitulating, let us quickly have a look on these 4 questions, and after that you will just assess your test, and make sure that you are doing your test stepwise and your answers are also correct. So in question number 1 we have calculated the expanded form, means we have written the number in the form of addition, means we have added all the place values. In question number 2 we have written the number in the standard form, means just opposite from the expanded form. Here we have written the number and expanded form is given, right? We have here, and how we have written this, ones, tens, we don't have 100, that means it is 0, and at thousands place we were having 9, so we have got 9063. In question number 3 we have predecessor and successor. Predecessor -1 pre pehle, and successor is +1 after, means predecessor is the number that comes just before, बिल्कुल इस number के पहले, just पहले, and successor is the number that comes just after, means इस number के बिल्कुल बाद. So that is 2685. And in the last question we have discussed that whether the number is an odd number or even number. To check even number, we will check the digit which is at the ones place. If it is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then your number is an even number. If the digit which is at the ones place is 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, that your number is an odd number. So in this way, first case is of even number and second case is of odd number. I hope all these questions are clear to everyone. So now just assess yourself and then after checking, send your answers to me. Thank you.